Realistically, I don't need anything from Shetty. But personally, I want to help him for the trouble he has already created. If there is any way I can help him, I will. If he confesses and he comes for help, I am still happy to help him rather than hurting him. And I don't expect anything from him. What I need is to have my own company back, because originally it was established for my children, new generation, and established a credible operation in wealth transfer. That was my original plan, which was 40-year-old plan, and I would like to have that company back to start where I stopped. The main reason I commenced to think about having a company of that nature was to help our community to send their money home, because I happened to see them struggling to send money transfer through money exchanges, because banks were not willing to help them because it was very nominal fee that they used to charge. So this labor class was coming very much into UAE at that time in the late 70s and early 80s. So I got a sensing we can take advantage of the situation. So we commenced the company, and the company was formulated very professionally. And the then Minister of Justice, His Excellency Abdullah Humaid Al Masroi, partnered us to be the local sponsor. And I got another investor, Zubaida Ahmed from Bangladesh, and my wife was the joint partner in investing the initial capital of $1 million. That's how the company got started. And that start was very much on a firm ground, because my desire to help the people, number one, to set up a company for our new generation. Especially I thought of my first son. He was just slowly growing. He was in his 6th or 7th year only. I wanted to have a platform established for him. That was the reason I started the company. Thirdly, I started the company to make money. But it so happened the momentum got the takeoff level. By then, a big situation occurred in the whole company in my absence. The company was moved away from my ownership, my operational rights, and my entry even was stopped into that company in an unknown situation, unexpected situation, which shocked my onward march into business arena. That was my 5th business in United Arab Emirates, and that had based for 300-year operations. That's how I laid the foundation stone for my company, but it was snatched away overnight, which gave me the shock of my life of this world. Shetty, as a friend of mine, was keeping far from anything to do with the company, but he had a covetous eye on my business, which I never knew. And in my absence, when I was away in my business to promote my investment bank dream, which I want to explain how that investment bank dream comes. In my absence, I went to Bombay to continue working on that. He took a master plan to take over my company with the help of then Arab partner and 2 of my managers and my legal consultant. That shocked my life. That I am losing my ground to do any business in that country. And he kept disturbing my very presence in that country. For what reason, I don't know. Absolutely, he has fabricated the signature. On behalf of the local, he signed himself. And the Department of Police in Abu Dhabi came with a conclusion that it was fraudulently transferred. Because of that department's assessment, they came for an immediate settlement outside the court, and we got a nominal sum as a compensation in that to the credit of my account in America. $295,500 got credited with Madison Bank in America on 23rd October 19 1995. From today, specifically what I do, all I need is to have an arrangement with the UAE Central Bank. Since they are the controlling authority now, they have to understand what is my intent, and they should know that I am the only one who can get that turned around, because now the market is lost, credibility is lost, ownership is disputed, and nobody else can do, only myself can turn it around. And where I want to turn it around is from where I stopped in 83, because that's the vision still driving in me to go for that company to be the operational company for the coming years in the wealth transfer, money transfer area particularly.